see, I need very sharp girl. Yes, I want two people to just send a very sharp girl to me immediately. Like I need it now, I gave it no chance. And conjure me well. Yes, now girl we carry better breast now. We like very big breast, yes. Now that type, but make the stomach small, flat small. And whether me and she do, me and she no do, you don't consign me, but breast. I feel 1 hour for breast before I go do better implemented. And a breast I can carry chop. I know for my dictionary I know get oversized breast. Okay, when I get 15,000, I get 70,000. Okay, 70,000 is the biggest one. Okay, I go send you na 19,000. That 19,000 now, I'm gonna send the biggest one for me. The biggest one. You get it. Okay. All right.
A few moments later.
Who is there?
70 years old man.
I love it. Can I touch it? Hey, it's my planting.
Not be juju be that.
What happened? Can't you men just love someone for being natural? What is
Where's
it?
the breast
Shut
now?
up your mouth, there is no breast. What do you mean? See, breast. That is breast. Take it. This is the
I paid 90,000 naira for this breast. Where is the breast?
I don't know what it is.
Where is the breast?
How far you dey do abi you no dey do?
I dey do abi I don't dey do.
Yes.
Where the breast what I pay for? See if I go in and come back here, you will see.
When I see your breast, see your
You will see.
Oh, you get better food, sef. Yeah. Oh, I see your 90K. Oh, like no go collect am. Olodo, idiot.
Where that nonsense girl? Wait. Nonsense. She don't work now. You for there here man meet you. Idiot. You dey carry balloon come as breast. Let me call this mama and collect my 90K. Imagine. See as breast dey carry am. Imagine. Hey, 90K. Let me call that man. He will give me my money. Where's my phone? Not here I keep my phone. Where's my phone? My phone. Hey! This guy going to feel. Hey! Jesus! This is not this feel. Hey! My phone! My 90K! Hey!
Elelele is God's rage again. Oh.